Do you have trouble focusing? Are you concerned that you may not be able to withstand the 5 hours and 40 minutes allowed for the CPC exam? Well, stay tuned. In this video, I'll share a pocket-sized solution that may help. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, we provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. Did you know you can carry a pocket-sized solution that can not only help you remain alert during the CPC exam, but can also enhance your memory? Yes, it is peppermint. Peppermint is that pocket-sized solution that I'm referring to. It appears that it is the perfect combination of peppermint oil and sugar. Research has shown that both of these ingredients energize your brain. Your body takes the sugar and breaks it down to glucose, which fuels your brain. According to an article on livestrong.com, research shows that peppermint stimulates the brain by improving memory and increasing alertness. Peppermint has a two-pronged approach. As mentioned earlier, sugar is fuel for your brain. So the sugar goes directly to your brain and boosts your alertness. One study by the Franklin Institute stated that the brain uses sugar faster during mental activities. Trust me, your CPC exam is a true mental activity. Secondly, you have menthol from the peppermint oil. The menthol stimulates the area of the brain which controls mental clarity and memory. The smell of the peppermint triggers you to wake up and pay attention. Remember, if you are asking yourself, how will I survive the stress and anxiety of being alert during a 5-hour and 40-minute exam? Well, make sure you bring plenty of peppermints to your exam. Study after study has shown that the little peppermint will provide you with a quick dose of alertness, which will improve your ability to focus and concentrate on the exam. Have you heard about this, or do you have firsthand knowledge of the benefits of peppermint? Let me know in the comments below. I pray this information has been helpful for you. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. If you are interested in more information on these tips and others to successfully pass your CPC certification exam, well, check out these videos. Consider subscribing to our channel and click the bell for notifications when we upload new content. Remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care.